Welcome, wonderful dreamers. Today I am going to attempt to fix my mower. It won't start. Hi, Max.
Yeah. Come on, that's it.
Sorry, I do need room, buddy.
There you go, see? Still got access.
I emptied the oil the other day by leaning the mower on the side. However, I did not have enough oil to refill the oil tank. So before I continue, I want to check the level.
Okay, hardly any.
I grabbed some more oil when I got a new spark plug. I found a thick, solid plastic container that was safe to store the old oil until I can take it to a facility to be disposed properly. It was definitely due for a change. I also cleaned and dried the air filter. It's that time of year where we're all trying to get on top of our grass. And my neighbor is whipper-snipping or using a line trimmer, depending on what you like to call it. However, once I've put some oil in, I will have to let it sit for an hour so I can get a correct reading on the oil. When I return, the noise will most likely be gone. I don't know exactly how much the oil tank can hold. I'm gonna have to do some research and continue in a moment. Bless you, Max. Okay, so it takes 600 milliliters of SAE 30 or 10W30, 4-stroke engine oil. That is about 2/3 of a quart of oil. This is the first time I've ever fixed my own mower. So wish me luck, everyone.
Don't get too excited.
Max does not seem excited that I'm fixing the mower. He seems to only like it when it's quiet. The other day, I used a damp cloth to get rid of all the big gunk that was around the yellow part of the mower. So now I'm using a tiny bit of oil on a rag to buff it up, so it looks shiny and also can help prevent rust from forming. It's a mower, so I don't expect it to look perfectly clean, but a mower spa day never hurts. Now to test the oil level.
Dude, you don't want to be there. Yeah, fly away.
Okay, the oil dipstick indicates the oil is just below the full mark.
I think you could take a little more. But just a touch.
Okay, oil sorted. I have had this for years, but had no idea it was for spark plugs. The spark plug definitely requires replacing. Okay, I think I found my biggest challenge, which is getting the spark plug out of the packaging. Huge difference between the old and new.
Alright.
Excellent head blocking position, Selena.
We use that straight away, do we? Yay!
It seems to have gone in on a slight angle. I have also learned that you need fresh petrol. I didn't realize petrol went stale over time. I do have recent petrol and hopefully it's good enough for the mower still, and we'll update the petrol very soon. Okay, time to test the mower. Wow, I'm so happy it's working. Hopefully that little bit of chugging is because of the older petrol and that it still needs to get that fresh oil through the engine. Yay, I can mow the lawn. I hope you had a good day.